Hey everyone, Chris again with ATV-TEK and UTV-TEK, showing you another new product that we're obviously very excited about. It's our new Elite Series license plate bracket. We designed this new product because street legalization of ATVs and side-by-sides has become so popular across the country. One of the important requirements is that the license plate has a light over the top of it. Let me give you a quick walkthrough of the features of the Elite Series license plate bracket. First of all, that very important light that's going to shine over the top of the license plate. Included is the onboard LED light with a generous amount of wire and a quick splice connector that makes install a breeze. Second, we've designed this bracket to accommodate many different shapes and sizes of license plate that come when you street legalize your machine. And finally, how are you going to mount this license plate bracket? We've designed this product to mount to flat surfaces and round tube surfaces. We've included the appropriate mounting hardware for the flat mounting, and the round tube mounting, we have the appropriate slots built in to run a zip tie or a hose clamp through so you can mount it wherever works best for you. And just like any other ATV-TEK and UTV-TEK product, we use nothing but the highest grade materials, and we back it up with a lifetime warranty. So if you plan on street legalizing your machine, this is a license plate bracket for you. Comes with the LED light, super easy install. All the necessary wiring and hardware is included and made with the highest grade materials. Go pick yourself one up and enjoy your next adventure.